Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create fruit turning into an animal video using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, hyper.ai, and after you have opened this website, you can log into this website and you will be able to use this website's tool to create fruit turning into an animal video. Okay, and you can go to the image to video. Okay, and this is the image I have turned into a video, and I'm going to click on this option, first frame image, and for the first frame I'm going to select the fruit image. Okay, and I'm going to go to the last frame image and we'll get to activate the keyframe conditioning. Okay, last frame image, and I'm just going to choose chicken, and then you can input the prompt. You can type in turn the mango to chicken, and I'm going to add with smooth transition. Okay, just like that, and you can click on create. Alright, and you just need to wait for a moment until the process completed. Right, guys, and this is the video I have generated before. This is the result, and you just need to wait for a moment, guys. Okay, and now it's done, guys, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create fruit turning into an animal video using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.